Today, Lon, we had the opportunity to watch you frame an opening and install a barn door. Talk about that for a minute, if you would.
Main thing with the barn door is mounting the track at the correct height. If you have an existing opening and you're going to put a barn door on, there needs to be a flat board across the header to mount the track to. Then the measurements have to be taken from that track to order your door. If you have a door, then the track has to be mounted with the measurements from the door. Height mainly, width is not that important, but height is the crucial part. As you saw today when we were putting this together, we used this door that we came from Baird to match the interior doors we have here. So that's the main thing. Some of the barn doors can get very, very heavy also. So it has to be mounted onto some solid backing before you can hang that door.
And we were afforded the luxury today of being in a new construction job site, working with a somewhat standard rough opening, and then you dialed it in and framed your finish jam into the size that you needed to accommodate a standard door.
Most standard doors will not fit in a remodel or an existing opening. They're not tall enough. So you either buy a taller door and saw the bottom off, or you have one made custom.
Starting with a blank canvas, you were allowed to paint the picture you wanted.
Correct.
And it
Correct.
worked out beautifully.
Yeah, we actually framed everything in from the size of the door.
Yes.
So
Yes.
if you have the door size, you can work that direction.
Folks need to know that there's a lot of options and a lot of thinking that has to be done rather than just putting a standard door up on an
It's
existing
just
opening.
not that easy.
Yes.
Yes.